It happens every year. I get invited to a New Year's Eve party and I'm trying to rack my brains on what do I make? What do I make? If it happens to you, rest assured this video will help solve that problem. I'm gonna show you a surefire home run winner salmon dinner. I'm gonna show you some bourbon glazed salmon bites that are to die for. They're so good. Let me show you how I like to do it. If you're throwing a dinner party, having a past app or an hors d'oeuvre is essential if you want to elevate your hosting game. This one is a really fun one. It's basically a past hors d'oeuvre. It's a bite-sized little piece of gorgeous salmon with a little bourbon glaze. It's crazy good. We're gonna start with our bourbon glaze. Let's throw a pan onto the griddle. We're gonna get that up to high heat. Now we're gonna add some brown sugar, some honey, some gochujang, some soy, and some bourbon. Now all of these things mixed together. We've got some sweet, we've got some savory, we've got some umami, we've got all of these wonderful flavors that make for a stunning glaze. Stir this once and let it go until those bubbles start to get big. Now while that is cruising, let's get to our salmon. So today I have the Kvaroy Arctic Salmon Pure Fish Trays. These things are fantastic. You can find them on Amazon. Let's get into these bad boys. And what we're gonna do is we're going to dice these in a nice big, like 1.5, 2-inch chunks. We want nice, beautiful squares because these are gonna be our bite-sized little gorgeous hors d'oeuvres. Beautiful, they're so beautiful. I love salmon, I love salmon. All right, my bubbles are looking fantastic on my sauce. Now I'm gonna pull this off the heat. I want that to cool, basically thicken up just a little bit. Now to my side that is still screaming hot, this is key. You want it to be nice and hot. We're gonna add a bit of olive oil and some sesame oil. Now be careful with sesame oil. It is potent, so a little goes a long way. Now we're gonna grab all of that beautiful salmon and throw it right down in the oil. Notice I didn't season it. No salt, no pepper needed. We want that beautiful flavor of the salmon to shine. So let that cook on all sides. It's gonna get golden and crispy. The skin's gonna crisp up too, which is really nice. Garnish is extremely simple. I'm gonna take some red bell pepper. What we wanna do is essentially create a really small it's almost a mince. It's a very small dice. The texture is important because it's our delicate little garnish. We're also gonna add some thinly sliced green onions. Now the combo is beautiful in color, but also in flavor. Add those to a little bowl with a touch of ponzu and a touch of sesame oil and give that a toss. The ponzu and the sesame are really bright, wonderful flavors. And that's our garnish, very easy. On the last turn of your salmon, I like to make sure it goes skin side down just to make sure we get that gorgeous Kvaroy Arctic salmon skin nice and crispy. It's kind of like the glory moment of this salmon. Now it's time to plate. We're gonna grab a beautiful little serving platter. You can be round, funny shapes, whatever you like, because this is an hors d'oeuvre or a past appetizer. Now line up each of your bits of salmon along the plate. Now we're gonna add some of that beautiful garnish over the top and then this glorious sauce. The sauce is velvety, crazy, sweet, savory, umami. It has everything your palate wants. The last thing I like to do, if it is a past hors d'oeuvre, just take a little toothpick and put that right on top and you're ready for service. One single bite, morsel of deliciousness. Not seasoning the fish is key. You really want that salmon flavor to punch through, and that sauce is money. So money. So whether you want to impress your date, your spouse, or you're going to a fun party and you want to look like a rock star, this is the way to go. Follow that same technique, change up the flavors in your sauce if you want to customize it to what you want to do, but definitely go and try this. Be sure to check out Kvaroy Arctic Salmon on Amazon and on their website. Check out Betty's show, check out Todd's show, check out CJ's show, Bruce's show, Destination Delicious, but this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.